Alright, we're gonna unbox these clear lenses that I purchased from Amazon. It's pretty tough to actually find some good clear lenses for the Rayban Meta Gen 1 glasses. So let's see how these go. They're from this company called Rayban. Okay, there we go. So it's got a nice little thing on the back. It says, "Feeling more. Enhance color and contrast, reduce glare and block harmful UV, ultimate clarity, lightweight and durable, eliminate peripheral distortion, past ANSI Z87.1 standards." And these, I can put the link for them if anyone's interested. So let's take these out of here and see what we're working with. They come in a nice little pouch, and I'm wearing some gloves on just because I want to get any fingerprints on them right away. So nice little pouch. I can put the old Ray-Bans in there, and it's got this little card from the same company. It says, "Zero worry. Farab offers the ultimate peace of mind by providing long-term protection for your purchased product. We're committed to standing behind it for the entirety of its lifespan." Well, that's a good sign. Alright. And then the back has this little thing. It says, "Always evolving. Gear up to take on any climb, sprint or flat. Discover a new world of possibilities with Farab custom lenses. Farab.com. Check it out there. Alright. Now the fun part begins. Let's try to take these old ones out and pop the new ones in. Alright. Of course, the old ones have the cool little Ray-Ban logo on them. These new ones don't have them, but oh well, it's all good. And I'm doing this so that I can start making more videos at home and be able to see better. So based on some of the reviews and videos that I've watched, there's a way to pop these out by starting at the corner and just applying some pressure on them. They should pop right out. So let's give that a shot. There we go. That was pretty easy. Pop right out. Now let's see the other one. Trying to be a little gentle too. This one's ready to come out. There we go. And the other one's popped out. There we go. Alright. So let's try to put these new ones in here. So to put the new ones in, you actually have to start from the opposite side as popping them out. So when you first pop them out, you go inwards, and to put them in, you're outwards. So they show you in the videos, you start from a corner. So let's try that. And see if we can get them in. It's my first time ever doing these because I don't wear glasses, so it may take a little bit. Let's see. Going from inside out. Showing the whole process. So bear with me here. One in. And let's see. Get this side in. Okay, got some more. gloves are actually doing more harm than helping in this process. Well, I got one edge in. Let's still try again here. Oh, that's tough. There we go. Oh, and it got my claw. Alright, we got one in. Takes a little force. I'm just trying to be gentle as I can because definitely don't want to break the Raybans. But got one in, as you can see. Alright, now for the next one. They look pretty nice already. Let's show you a little comparison. There's the old ones. How dark they were compared to the new ones. They're all clear. Perfect for filming inside the house. And if you want to use them as sunglasses, you can just pop them right back in. Okay, let's see how this one goes. So pass straight through. Alright, let's see. Get the corner. One corner in, another one. There we go. You got this one a lot quicker. Alright, so they're both in. And they're clear. They're a little dirty, even though I wore gloves. I have to clean them up a little bit. But there they are. And there's a lot of different styles that you can pick from at the same company. I will put the link in there for everyone. Was looking for some upgrades to the Ray-Bans that come stock. Thanks for watching.